we are going to do the experiment for synthesis of hexamine. For that, we are going to take a beaker and add 8 ml of formaldehyde and add 8.6 ml of ammonia solution. Mix it well until the solution becomes alkaline by using a stirrer. Place this mixture in the water bath and let it stand for 5 minutes. Then take the beaker from the water bath and leave it stand for 15 minutes. Now place this mixture into a cool bath and set it for 15 minutes. After cooling off the mixture, add this mixture into a clean china dish and heat it directly on the flame. Hexamine crystals are obtained and it let it to dry. The next step is to take the mixture and filter it through the filter paper, then keep it into the hot air oven. Now keep this product into hot air oven for complete drying. We are going to weigh the final product. Our product Hexamine is ready. Now we are going to transfer it into the container. Our final product Hexamine is ready.